morning, some schools are warning parents about the spread of whooping cough in southeast Wisconsin.
WISN 12 News reporter Ben Hutchison is at Oak Creek High School, one of the places where letters were sent to parents, Ben.
Good morning. This is a copy of one of the letters sent to parents here in Oak Creek, and it was yesterday. One case of the whooping cough here. A similar letter was also sent to some parents in Oconomowoc. In both letters, the schools are urging parents to keep their children home from class if they're experiencing symptoms. We have some of those on the screen. A lasting cough or series of coughing or coughing fits that are followed by vomiting. Whooping cough is usually spread by repeated indoor face-to-face contact or close contact with someone for more than an hour. Now, school officials do say that whooping cough is widespread throughout Wisconsin. Earlier this year, the whooping cough, there were more than a dozen cases in the Elmbrook School District. In Oak Creek, Ben Hutchison, WISN 12 News.
All right, thank you, Ben. Later today.